The Bicentennial Quarter, a historical overview. In 1975 and 1976, the United States celebrated its 200th anniversary of independence. To commemorate this milestone, the U.S. Mint released a special series of coins featuring a reverse design by artist Jack L. Ahr, depicting a colonial drummer boy. This design replaced the traditional eagle on the reverse of the quarter, making the 1976 Bicentennial Quarter a unique piece in American numismatic history, Diario AS, Coin Week. The obverse of the coin retained the classic portrait of George Washington, but with the dual dates 1776 to 1976, symbolizing the nation's bicentennial celebration. These quarters were minted in large quantities across 3 facilities: Sad Face Diario AS. Philadelphia, No Mint Mark 809,784,016 coins. Denver, D Mint Mark 860,118,839 coins. San Francisco, S Mint Mark 4,908,319 coins, uncirculated, 2,845,450 coins, proof, Wikipedia. Despite the massive mintage, certain errors and varieties have emerged over time, making specific 1976 D Bicentennial Quarters exceptionally rare and valuable. VeteransVillageSouthAmerica.org. Magnifying glass tilted left, identifying the rare 1976 D Bicentennial Quarter. 1. Double die obverse, DDO, error. One of the most sought-after varieties is the double die obverse error. This occurs when the coin's design is struck twice, causing a doubling effect on certain elements, particularly the date and the motto, "In God We Trust." Collectors prize these coins for their distinctive appearance and rarity. Card.org, DIYO.com.au. Value: depending on the grade, these coins can fetch between $8,400 and $250,000. For instance, a 1976 DDO graded MS-66 sold for $8,400 at Heritage Auctions in May 2023, DIYO.com.au, marked money, tech. 2. Clipped planchet error. A clipped planchet error occurs when a coin is struck on a blank planchet that is missing a portion of its edge. This results in a coin with a distinctive bite taken out of its edge. Such errors are highly collectible due to their uniqueness. DIYO.com.au. Value: coins with significant clipped planchet errors have been known to sell for up to $20,000, depending on the size and location of the clip. DIYO.com.au. 3. Struck on a dime planchet. Another rare error is when a quarter is struck on a dime planchet. This results in a smaller, thinner coin that retains the quarter's design. These coins are particularly valuable due to their unusual size and composition. VeteransVillageSouthAmerica.org. Value: a 1976 D Bicentennial Quarter struck on a dime planchet has been reported to sell for up to $6,900. VeteransVillageSouthAmerica.org. 4. Off-center strike. An off-center strike occurs when the coin's planchet is misaligned during the minting process, resulting in a design that is not centered on the coin. These errors are visually striking and highly valued by collectors. VIP Art Fair, DIYO.com.au. Value: depending on the degree of misalignment and the coin's condition, off-center strike errors can be worth several hundred to several $1,000s, GOTS. 5. Struck through cloth or grease. These errors happen when foreign material, such as cloth fibers or grease, interferes with the minting process, leaving distinctive marks or patterns on the coin. While more common than other errors, they still add unique characteristics that can increase a coin's value. Value: coins with struck-through errors have been known to sell for up to $881.25, depending on the severity and visibility of the error. VIP Art Fair. Moneybag: the value of a 1976 D Bicentennial Quarter. While most 1976 D Bicentennial Quarters are worth their face value of 25 cents, certain rare varieties and errors can command significant premiums. The value of these coins depends on several factors. Sad Face GOTS. Minting errors. Coins with errors such as double die obverse, clipped planchet, or off-center strikes are highly sought after. diyo.com.au. Condition and grading. Coins in higher grades, e.g., MS66, MS67, MS68, are more valuable. Coin weak. Rarity. The fewer the number of coins with a particular error or variety, the higher the value.